Hi, this is Mehul Prajapati from Group 3. This week I am focusing on website. Now I am focusing on designing users details page wherein users can add their CAO points, budget, their interest, their location. So accordingly I need to make changes in the database schema, in the APIs and on the front end of the screen. Um, this week we had meeting with Damien on Monday. We discussed lot of topics, lot else what we can add into our software system. So we are working on that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.
Hello, this is Rahul from Group 3. Over the past week, I've been working on a few individual tasks and also shared tasks with the group. The individual tasks include creating a sentiment analysis notebook on a user review dataset for Coursera courses. We feel that this dataset is going to be quite similar to one of the datasets that we are aiming to find for university courses. So we're looking to get a sentiment score on user reviews, which can then be modified to accommodate our dataset. And also, I have used gather.town. It's an online tool to create an interactive simulation of university life. The map and everything can be edited, which would give our users a look and feel of how the campus life is going to be like. And finally, for the shared tasks, I'm finding peer-reviewed journals regarding sentiment analysis, regarding any workplace simulation or course simulations. That's going to help with the documentation. And also finding multiple data sets regarding course reviews and user reviews of courses or subjects in universities in general. Thank you.
My name is Ovchis Gonsalves and I'm a part of Group 3, MSc Data Science Group Project. So first thing is we are having some daily stand-up calls on Teams, and then we are logging everything on Jira. The first thing we were discussing the selection of features. So what features need to be given out so that the students can use those features and then help themselves in the admission process. Second thing is we have found a website called gather.com, and I think Rahul has been working on it, and we are also looking into it. So basically we are planning to map out the part of TU Dublin and then have people go and interact with different aspects of the universities in that. Thirdly, then we have what you call as sentiment analysis. It's just we're creating a basic sentiment analysis models, and then we will be using that later on in our project. Fourth, finally, and it's very important thing is the data sets. We have been working on collecting our data sets, and the admission team is not too keen on giving us the data. So we have asked them to get rid of any personal data or mask that. Also, I have found a data set that works on acceptance rate of the universities. So we are working on it as a base, and then maybe we can use that base and work on our own data. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sanvid, and I'm working on finding finding the proper ML integration for a recommendation system. I'm doing research on some algorithms like decision tree and XGBoost, and I've created a demo for sentiment analysis as well, which will help us recommend the things and all the use cases to the student. Then we have created the AWS account, GitHub repository. We're committing it continuously on it, and I have started working with documentation as well. And we are finding dataset regularly, and every dataset we find, we are integrating in our application. At the same time, we are also working on a game, interactive game, which will help the users find path and interact with the university and basically get information on where they stand and everything. And that's it from my side for this week. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mayuri. For this week, I was working on searching for the database. I have found 2-3 database on the Kaggle, and I have read different research papers and found the attributes which will be used for that. So we are trying to make our new data set using that attributes and adding some more attributes into that. And then I was working on UI part also, and we have used React for that. And then we are working we have created an interactive website where students can go and check what they want, like the clubs, the locations, the pubs, or everything in that. That's all about. And we are working also on the documentation part for this week. So it's all about me, what I have done for this week. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So I'm Sitesh Patil and I'm a part of group 3 of MSc project. And for the week 2, as per the suggestions given in the week 1, we have started working on the database, increasing the database and finding out more features in the data set. And apart from that, we have also the group members have also tried to expanding the website, the one which we showed last week. And apart from that, yeah, we also have like daily scrum meetings every day in the morning at 10 o'clock. So we discuss how to proceed with the project, and so far we have decided to go with the React.js for the UI for the website. And we also had a call with Damien on Monday, and we have also decided to go for now to go for the sentiment analysis as well for a sample database. And apart from that, I am also contacting the placement officers and admission department to get some access to the college university data, so that we can just add it on to the project, add it on to the database, and which will help us to gain an easy access to real-time data. So that's all for this week, and thank you. Bye bye.